Alright, so vir derde plek is Willem en Ter Blanche. Hulle het gerock paper scissors en Willem skop eerste af. Hy is op die lyn dan daarso. Ek gaan net kyk, het ek so gemaak dat julle dit lekker kan sien. Ek sal nou eventually uitbeweeg dat julle kan kyk wat maak hy daarso.
Okay, het ons nog iemand op klas?
Right. Ons wil hom af. Kom eens kyk.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Oeh. Een af.
Impact!
Alright. So as ons nou kyk wat is die tyd, maar sover is dit een af. Lekker Willem. Een af daarso. Very well done. Ons gaan nou geloer. Volgende is Ter Blanche op. Terry.
Ek vat tyd 64. Calm down.
So nou met die tyd daarso ook, né? Okay.
Ter Blanche.
So dit is headstrams time. Ons tyd ook gevat. Julle sal sien waar die tyd is dan ook. So dan kyk ons volgende vir Ter Blanche. Ter Blanche regmaak.
Dankie. Dis nodig. Dedication.
Ja, commitment. Wys gou daar vir almal net gou. Ek gee vir kyk. Daai is commitment, né? As jy sien jou Gen 2 né is gekrap. Ek neem vir my greybeard se covers vir jou. Ek het by die winkel. Is dit? Ja.
Ons sal dit uitpak.
Dis presies hoekom ek myne opgesit het nou vir.
En dis die enigste hoe hy om stable te kom gaan.
Ja ja. Ek weet hom mooi gemanage. My laaste een was net lyk gelyk net links aan.
Ja.
Net. Right, Terry op die lyn. Kom ons kyk wat gaan daarso.
Impact! 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 Yes. Maar ophou. Ja, hy is klaar. Ek moet net serieus
Okay, so goeie show daarso. Willem hier van die kant af het so goeie triomfant gegee daarso vir ons Willem daarso gewees almal. Yes. Okay, so Willem met die derde plek vir die dag, which is super cool. Baie geluk Willem.
Dankie man. Nee wat? Nee, Aniel.
Okay, so ons gaan nou gou laat Anthony en Hardy regmaak. Dan gaan ons kyk hoe vorder hulle met die shootout stage. Alright, so Anthony is eerste op die lyn tussen hom en Hardy.
You ready? Your time starts now.
Alright, kom ons check. Ons loer hom.
Impact. Impact. Yep. Both impacts. Impact. 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 Miss.
Ooh. Op hy laaste ene. Alright. So, weer 'n keer gaan ons in met 'n 7. Nou is dit Hardy.
There's no time limit. But the challenge is 124.
You didn't pick up last night, eh?
There. There's one near side.
Yeah, one more. There you go. That's it.
Shooter, you ready? Yeah. Your time starts now.
Okay, kom ons check. Hardy.
Impact. Yes.
Nou is die pressure aan. Nou is die pressure aan.
But I'm too slow now.
Impact. Impact. Miss.
Oh hey! Alright. Dit was dit. So Anthony, vat hom. Well done Anthony.
Well done. Now you got to stand for the camera and smile.
Well Ant, while I have you here, come quickly. So just
How many did you shoot? Okay, well done.
that's awesome. Well done Anthony.
Okay, man. Thank you.
That was awesome. Well, so just give us a feedback of the day so far.
Yeah, it was a lucky day. Some generous targets. I think the wind was a bit challenging.
Yeah.
I think I dropped 2 shots at one stage in the wind.
Yeah.
But I think it was a nice match for a lot of smiles. A lot of guys hit some steel. And I think you know, more subjective. I think might have been that. So I don't know. But it was a fun match. Yeah, fun match. Exactly what it is. Yeah.
That's exactly what it's
I mean, it's nice to watch shooters in the beginning, and by the end of the day, they're starting to hit some steel and get smiles on their faces. So, no, well done. I think it was a nice, fun match.
That is awesome.
Lucky.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks very much.
We're going to go to the venue now and have grub
Yeah.
and do the prize giving as well.
Cool. Lekker.
But that's awesome. I'd just like to mention, so everybody watching this afterwards is Claudia, come here. So Anthony just won the shootout stage, but Claudia actually won the overall of the whole day. She dropped one shot for the day, so there's no one to shoot out with her because she just won generously the whole day, and that's amazing. So well done for that.
Dank je man. Thanks for a lekker day.
That's awesome, guys.
Cool. Thanks.
Travel safely,
Yes.
and yeah, please guys, if you liked anything that you saw here, please like it, share it, and subscribe, and help us grow the channel. Thanks.